Precision woodworking demands smooth surfaces, clean edges, and consistent depth across every pass. Best electric hand planer options deliver power, control, and accuracy for professionals and DIY users, turning rough lumber into refined results with efficiency and confidence on projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT DCP-580B Hand Planer. The DEWALT DCP-580B Hand Planer is engineered for professionals and serious DIY users who demand speed, accuracy, and durability from a cordless platform. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, this planer delivers impressive runtime and consistent cutting power, making it ideal for extended woodworking tasks without frequent battery changes. With an aggressive 30,000 cuts per minute, it removes material quickly while still maintaining smooth, controlled results on hardwoods and softwoods alike. The planer offers a maximum depth of cut of 5/64 inches, allowing for efficient stock removal, while the finely calibrated depth adjustment knob enables precise control down to 1/256-inch increments. Precision-machined aluminum front and rear shoes ensure parallel cuts across the entire work surface, reducing the need for rework. A built-in kickstand protects finished materials by preventing blade contact when the tool is set down, which is especially valuable during job site use. Additionally, the chamfering groove in the front shoe simplifies edge beveling tasks, eliminating the need for secondary tools. Overall, the DEWALT DCP-580B stands out as a powerful, accurate, and job site-ready electric hand planer suited for demanding woodworking applications.
Number 2. Bosch PL2632K Hand Planer. The Bosch PL2632K Hand Planer is a corded powerhouse designed for users who prioritize consistent performance and precision over long work sessions. Its robust 6.5-amp motor generates up to 16,500 RPM, providing smooth and efficient stock removal even on dense materials. The dual-mount guide fence enhances accuracy by maintaining consistent planing alignment across the entire workpiece, while protective overshoes help prevent surface damage on delicate materials. Precision-machined aluminum front and rear shoes are factory-aligned after assembly, ensuring reliable flatness and accuracy straight out of the box. The ratcheting depth adjustment knob allows quick, foolproof depth changes from 0 to 2.6 millimeters within a single rotation, eliminating guesswork and improving workflow efficiency. For safety and convenience, the ambidextrous lock-off release helps prevent accidental startups and supports comfortable operation for both left and right-handed users. Adjustable chip ejection lets shavings be directed to either side, keeping the work area clear and improving visibility. The Bosch PL2632K is a dependable choice for workshop-based woodworking, where precision and uninterrupted power are essential. Number 3. MtiolHig 15,000 RPM Hand Planer. The MtiolHig 15,000 RPM hand planer delivers a compelling balance of cordless convenience and precise performance, making it a practical option for users already invested in the DEWALT 20V battery platform. Its brushless motor operates at a no-load speed of 15,000 RPM, providing efficient material removal while reducing heat buildup and extending tool lifespan. With a 3 1/4-inch planing width and adjustable depth up to 2 millimeters, this planer is well suited for smoothing boards, trimming doors, and refining edges with consistent results. The fine depth adjustment accuracy of 0.01 millimeters allows users to dial in exact cuts, which is especially valuable for finish carpentry and detailed woodworking projects. Safety is addressed through a dual switch system that requires simultaneous engagement to operate, helping prevent accidental startups during handling or adjustments. The cordless design improves mobility on job sites and eliminates cable management issues, enhancing overall efficiency. While batteries are not included, compatibility with DEWALT 20V batteries makes this planer a versatile addition to existing tool collections. Overall, the MtiolHig planer offers solid precision, safety, and portability for everyday woodworking tasks.
Number 4. SKIL PL201201 Hand Planer. The SKIL PL201201 hand planer is a straightforward, user-friendly option designed for homeowners and light-duty woodworking projects. Its defining feature is the dual-chip exhaust system, which keeps sawdust moving away from the cutting area, improving visibility and helping users maintain accurate cuts. The integrated kickstand is a thoughtful addition, preventing the blade from contacting the work surface when the planer is set down, thereby protecting finished materials from accidental gouges. Precision planing is further supported by a stable base design that promotes smooth, controlled passes across wood surfaces. For added convenience, onboard wrench storage ensures the adjustment tool is always within reach, reducing downtime during blade changes or depth adjustments. Safety is addressed with a lock-off switch that helps prevent unintended startups, making the tool more secure during storage and handling. While it may not be targeted at heavy professional use, the SKIL PL201201 provides dependable performance for tasks such as edge smoothing, minor thickness adjustments, and general DIY woodworking. It represents a practical and affordable electric hand planer for users seeking simplicity, safety, and reliable results.
Number 5. Heimerdinger Makita-compatible hand planer. The Heimerdinger Makita-compatible hand planer is designed for users who want cordless freedom while leveraging Makita's widely used 18V battery system. Featuring a brushless motor with a no-load speed of 15,000 RPM, this planer delivers efficient cutting performance with improved energy efficiency and reduced maintenance compared to brushed alternatives. The 3 1/4 inch cutting width supports common woodworking applications, while the adjustable cutting depth up to 5/64 inch allows both light finishing passes and moderate stock removal. Fine depth control with 0.01 mm accuracy enables precise adjustments, which is particularly beneficial for detailed carpentry and fitting tasks. Its cordless design enhances mobility and keeps workspaces uncluttered, making it suitable for job site use or areas without easy access to power outlets. Compatibility with multiple Makita 18V batteries adds flexibility for users already invested in that ecosystem, although batteries are not included. Overall, the Heimerdinger hand planer offers a practical combination of portability, precision, and brushless performance, making it a solid choice for both DIY users and professionals seeking cordless efficiency.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.